Okay, so the other thing that needs to be done is your outline. This is pretty straightforward, pretty easy. However, you have to also do your budget, finish this, in order to finish this. So I'm going to talk first a little bit about this, the business fair outline, and then I'm going to switch and talk about the budget. Alrighty, so the business fair outline, it's pretty straightforward. You're going to write down the names of your group members. So Katie Doyle, Bailey Braden, Gonzalez. I'm just going to put that for right now. Anyway, you're going to write down the names. You can write this out. If you want to type it up on the computer like I'm doing, you're more than welcome to. Just make sure that you, when you pull it up on Google Classroom and you open it, you go to File, Make a Copy. And then you can print it out if you want to. You don't have to write this in on a paper copy. You can do it here and print it off. All right, so then you're going to come up with the name of your group. I'm going to say that mine group name is the 5th grade Dream Team. Like I said, come up with something catchy and snazzy. I can't think of any other snazzy names off the top of my head. All right, so then you've figured out what your product is going to be. So I'm saying 5th grade Dream Team are making these cool little clothespin things. So I'm going to put mine as my product name as Clothespin Animals. Feel free to come up with a snazzy name like Super Awesome Animals. Or if you're making slime, come up with a snazzy name like Galaxy Slime, Nebula Slime. Something cool for your product name. And product description, you are going to tell me exactly what it is what exactly is your product. So for those little clothespin animals that I just showed you, I would put we are creating animals. Let's go with animal pictures out of cardboard. So I'm telling them that I'm going to be drawing the animal pictures on cardboard and cutting them out. We will then glue them on clothespins. Each clothespin can have a saying on it, which we will write in marker. So I'm telling them very specifically what exactly I'm doing. So I'm telling them I'm going to make these little animals out of cardboard. I'm going to stick them on there, and then I'm going to write something snazzy in a marker on the clothespin. If I wanted to go further, I could say, all right, then I'm going to, where is it? Oops, here it is. When the clothespin is open, it will reveal another picture inside. So I've told them exactly what I'm going to be doing pretty elaborately. So look, I told them exactly what I'm going to do. It's only about 3 sentences long. Perfect. That's all we need. Once again, you can do this writing it on the computer like I did, or you can just look at it on paper. Okay, then you're going to say, what is the price of the product? Here's where I would stop you. Before you determine the price of the product or the amount that you need to create, you need to go to your budget. So once again, write your product name. Put that snazzy name you came up with. So pretending that I'm doing the clothespin, what are the supplies I'm going to need? I'm going to need clothespins. I need to figure out about how much is it going to cost. Here's how I figure that out. I go to walmart.com. I go to search clothespins. Remember, you only have a total of $20 to buy everything. Okay, so right here, I have all these choices for clothespins. Which one do I want to do? I want to buy, let's go with extra large clothespins. Make sure When you go here, in fact, I should have done this right here. You should be able to, let me pause this while I find it. Okay, here it is. All right, so when you do a search, you're going to see this, price, top brands. Go click on store availability, and you are going to need to make sure that you click on Elgin. It's got to be in our store. So it says, see on this first one, it says store availability near, and it has our zip code, 78621. If it does not say our zip code, click edit, and you're going to type in 78621. It's got to be at our Walmart because the fifth grade teachers are going to go pick it up. So, bam. Now it changed my search a little bit. See how it changed it? These are the stuff that our Walmart has. So that changed what I want to get, doesn't it? Okay, so I'm going to get this. So my product says it's $1.88. And how many clothespins are in a bag? Does it say 100 pack? So I'm going to come back to my thing. I'm going to type in 1.88. And if I wanted to, I could round that to $2. Got it? So I'm going to go ahead and put $2. Units needed. Ooh. How many bags of clothespins do I need? Well, if they come in a 100 pack, we could make 100 of those little clothespin things. But let's just say I want to go ahead and I want to get 3 bags. Units needed, 3 bags worth. How much is that going to be? 2 times 3. You're going to times these two together. Okay? Times these two together. So 2 times 3 is going to be $6. That's how much it's going to be. Now remember right here how we put actual total cost? Okay, so I changed it. I didn't like it. Money left over. You start off with 20 bucks. So you're going to do 6 minus 20. What is 20 minus 6? That's going to be $14. So I have $14 that I could still spend. What are some other supplies I need? I'm going to go with, I need some cardboard. But yeah. What will it cost to get cardboard? Free. Why is it free to get cardboard? Because there's a ton of cardboard at this school. How many units do I need of cardboard? Undetermined. Because I don't know. It depends. Estimated total cost? $0. Money left over? 14. Okay, but let's say I need some fancy new pens. I want to budget some new pens or markers to really draw these out because we're going to be using a lot of markers. Miss Joel doesn't have any. So I'm going to type in markers. Choose whatever I want. Make sure. I see what they're doing. Let's do washable. Make sure that it's on correct store availability. Every time you do a search, you have to click on it. Find the markers I want. I want these guys. $6.99 super top. Markers, 6.99. What does that round to? $7. Units needed, 1. Estimated total cost, 7. What's 14 minus 7? I still have $7 in my budget. So you're going to keep going all the way through until you find out how much money you have left over. Okay? Then come back here to your business fair project outline. So price of the product. Figure out, you know what? I'm about to run out of time on this video. Before I run out of time, you need to have about 100 total things that you can make. 100 total things. And my time is